Okay, so let's talk about the breakdown of this thread here first. So what is a quarter 20 thread? Well, first of all, the quarter tells us something very specific about the thread. It is the MD, the major diameter. That's this right here, guys. The major diameter is the measurable distance. You take a dial caliper or a micrometer and you measure across the bolt, right? Yeah, your micrometer is going to sit on the top of the threads, right? And the top of the thread is called the crest. So the major diameter is the measurement across the crests of your bolt. So that's this number, okay? 1/4. That's what that bolt should measure. What's the 20? This isn't a minus sign, by the way. It's just a dash. A quarter 20 UNC. 20 is the number of TPI, number of threads per inch. So if I go buy a quarter 20 bolt and I measure across the crests, it will measure a 1/4 inch. And it will have, if I can see that small, if I get a magnifying glass and I take a caliper and I set it to 1 inch and I put it against the threads, I will count exactly 20 threads in between the two measuring surfaces. So that's 20 threads per inch, no matter how long that bolt is, right? So longer the bolt, it's just more inches. There's still 20 threads per inch. UNC is unified, national, and then the C stands for coarse. That's an A. Okay, unified national coarse. So if I had a quarter 28, which you can also buy, that's a UNF. Okay, unified national fine. Okay, and if a customer said to me, hey, listen, I want a special bolt made, I need you to make me a quarter 36. Okay, so that would be a unified national special. Okay, and there are some threads that have a coarse, a fine, and an SF, a super fine. Okay, and an S is a special. So that's what the breakdown of the thread actually means. And that's for all threads, guys. So if it's a 1/2 inch 13, it's a 1/2 inch across the crest, 13 threads per inch, 1/2 inch 13 UNC. If it's a 1/2 inch 20, it'll be UNF, right? So the number of threads per inch, you can look at it on a chart, but you'll just remember, within a year, you'll have threads memorized. Depending on the number of threads, will tell you if it's a coarse or a fine or a super fine or a special.